welcome.
The next question says, when a person in their conversion process is deciding their new Jewish name, should this person remove their previous name since this person never was an idolater, and the previous name is also a Jewish name?
Oh, it's very interesting. I mean, the person is not obligated to change his or her name. For example, he was David. For example, he can stay the David. I don't know. It's up to him, but it's recommended to take a new name, that person becomes a new person. So that person, this David, can take a second name, right? And become David Yitzchak, David Shlomo or something. You understand? So it's not obligatory to change the name, but very recommended, like to add the name if it's already a Jewish name.
Well,
Yes, go ahead.
so in regards to this, doesn't the second name come with like an additional tikkun?
Yes. No. It's that person becomes a new person. Period. So that doesn't matter. But name like marks him as a new person. So people call him different or call her differently. That's the thing. It's a different person. So when the names stay exactly the same, it's not exactly like you don't see the change. Or for example, in different cultures they spell the name differently. For example, one of the guys that is helping us, so he's a Muslim, and his name, like he was born in a Muslim family. He's in process of converting to Judaism. So his name is Isak. It's Issak. You understand? So I mean, the spelling. So he would change to Yitzchak, the Jewish spelling. You understand? So that would be proper. So it's not exactly different name, but different spelling, different Isak, or I don't know how he's pronounced his name, but like not Yitzchak, not like that. Okay, you're welcome.
So it's recommendable for this person to get this name as like a second name or a name, like a first name before the original one?
Yes. Yeah. If they want to keep the name, if they want to change the name completely, they can. Nobody is stopping them. Whatever they want, because that person was that name was given from by their parents. And we do not know like who they intend to when they give into the name, like a name after. We don't know. Maybe some rock star or something. I don't know.
No, I
so
mean
there is David and David. There is David Hamelech and David. I don't know, the rock star or movie star. I don't know.
No, I mean the order of the names. Let's say my name is Daniel and I want to convert and I want to acquire, I don't know, Abraham as a second name. Would it make any difference if my name would be Abraham Daniel instead of Daniel Abraham?
No. Well, any order that you want. It's a new name. So any order you want.
The next question goes, Shalom Kol Harav. Thank you for the Shiur. Question: would it be foolish to retain one's old surname and just add Ben as a prefix, or would that be worse?
Are we talking about names? I didn't get it.
Yeah, but surname and adding Ben as a prefix.
Oh. Sorry, it's a surname Ben. So it's Ben David. No, but it's not. It's not true. So Ben meaning son. It means son of. So for example, if he's he person is I don't know, person name is David, and his son is Ben David. So meaning that it's like son of David. But if man his name is David, so how he's Ben David? It's confusing. Yeah. Okay. Ben meaning son of.
No, I guess our friend means with surname, meaning like keeping, like retaining the old surname, but adding Ben before the
Surname. What is it? Surname is a last name or a first name?
I guess surname is the last name.
Last name is irrelevant in Judaism. It means exactly nothing. So last name, it could be any name. You're not obligated to change the last name. What we care about only the first name. Last name is invention of the non-Jews, actually, if you know. It has nothing to do with Judaism. Of course, the Jews had to take the names because this government forced us to take some last names, and we were taking the last names from Yiddish, from Morocco, from Arab countries. So if you hear the last names of people from Sephardi country, they of course they know that it's actually a Jewish name, but they sound exactly last names. They say last name exactly like what is it from the Persia or from Iran, from wherever they are. You understand? You take the people from Poland, from Ukraine, from Russia, so the last name sounds like Russian names. Of course, they know that it means this and that. I mean, it's a Jewish name, but it does not mean anything. So we care about only first name. Last name, if person wants to change, he can change. She can change if they want to, but it's different story.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Because I guess wouldn't it be like somewhat like redundant? Because in English, I believe, let's say someone's surname is Johnson, that means that he's son of John will be like the same meaning as Ben something. So it will be like
yes. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you, Rabbi.